I can't go any quicker. We're using it in two-wheel mode, but if you're coming up the hill and you slow down, then you just bog, because grass is pretty wet and muddy. Well, it's nice, it's good for sliding. Oh. Let's do that shit rev. See what I mean? He got bogged, that was it. What the fuck? I always film this stuff because this is when someone will roll it or crash. Keep it going! Oh, spiderweb! There they are. Well, there they were in my new car. It's fucking fun as. Here we go. Go that way! It's not broken yet, so I don't want to do anything.
Dude, that was so good.
Here's Byron again. Byron's got it. The knack. Too much angle. Just too slow. Now, if you're wondering, over there is a giant cliff, so we've got to be a little careful on that side. He hasn't got it. Kick it! It's hard, I'll tell you that. I ain't got any power.
Matt wants to get something off you. How did you like it? How do you like it? It's getting so slippery. You still stall it?
No, still running.
Just got it.
Just.
Let it cool down for a second.